Hi friends, welcome to our channel Lakshmi Forever. Connecting with you is Lakshmi with an interesting Paneer Tikka recipe. Look at our Paneer Tikka. This is our lockdown period. We have done a wonderful evening snack, Paneer Tikka. It can be a snack, it can be a starter. Just try it out. All that we need is onions, tomato, bell peppers. If you have multicolor bell peppers, it is fine. Else it is green bell pepper and paneer. Paneer, we can also make it at home in case we don't have paneer. We will through another video demonstrate how to make paneer at home also. Now let's come to Paneer Tikka recipe. The speciality today is we are not going to use a microwave or an OTG. This is going to be a simple Paneer Tikka recipe using our tawa where we do dosas or even a pan. Today I have made use of a small pan with a lid to cover, and that's it. So it makes it all the more easy and manageable when it is not with a microwave oven or an OTG. Let's now get into the recipe. We are now ready with the ingredients required for our Paneer Tikka. Our paneer slabs are ready. I have cut bell pepper, green, yellow and red. I have de-seeded tomatoes and then cut big blocks out of tomatoes, and then onions. I have de-petaled the onions and I have taken big pieces of onions, kept it ready to skew. And now the paneer block. I just took 200 grams of paneer and I have made around 18 pieces out of it. So you can imagine I have just horizontally given a cut and cut into 3 3s or 9 and 9 into 2. I got around 18 slabs. That's quite a bit of blocks for our Paneer Tikka. We'll have a very good starter today. So now with all these ingredients ready, now let's just get on to making our Paneer Tikka. Look at the slabs. The slabs are big enough to skew and chunky also. Look at the vegetables, big ones, okay, so that when we skew it doesn't get cut at all. Okay, the slabs are also just right for skewing. Now let's get ready with the coating. I have not even take hung curd. If there is hung curd, it is fine. My curd was really like a cut slab, so I have taken the normal chunky curd out of my curd. So now to this curd I have added a spoon of ginger garlic paste, and I have added dry mango powder. I have added dry mango powder. I have added chili powder. Chili powder is only left to our taste, and you want it spicy, you add more of chili powder. Add turmeric powder, add required amount of salt, add jeera powder, and then a bit of garam masala also. So now look at the color of our coating. It's colorful, it's spicy, and it's going to give our tikka all the zing that it needs. Now mix it very well. This is the coating that's going to add the delicious yummy taste to our paneers. Now add all the paneer slowly and add in the bell peppers. Mix it nicely. Do not crush it. Add the bell peppers, the onions, the de-seeded tomatoes also. I luckily got yellow ones and red ones, so our Paneer Tikka presentation is going to be colorful today. But even with green and red tomatoes, our Paneer Tikka will be nice to present. So now marinate this. This is marinated, and leave it aside. Keep it aside for 20 minutes. So let it soak very well. In case you want the paneer to be soaked, you can even put small holes in the paneer. I have not tried all that. I just have marinated it, and now look at the bamboo skewers. I am just using these bamboo skewers and slowly skewing one by one, arranging the whole thing so that when we take a bite, we get a chunk of onion, tomato, bell pepper and paneer. So just arrange it in such a way that you have one onion, one tomato, one paneer, one green bell pepper, and the imagination is left to your taste. Okay, so now pack it as much as possible. You can pack it very closely. It will still get cooked. That's not a problem at all. So I have packed it to the extent I can. So now the first skewer is ready, totally loaded. Now I have arranged it. I have made 4 such skewers. Look at the color. It's very interesting. Very easy to make. Totally. Okay. All that we are going to do now is grease a pan with little oil, not much of oil. Grease it, and when it is almost ready, hot, just place it. Just place it, arrange it in such a way the corner gets nicely fried. One corner of the skewer, the pack is nicely getting fried. Allow it to cook. Brush some oil on the surfaces also so that it gets cooked. So now close it. After cooking, look at it. Now turn it, roll it and turn it so that the other parts of the paneer and the masala get nicely cooked. We don't want the raw taste of the masala, so we are cooking it nicely, and you will get that grill like, barbecue like burn, smoky smell also with all this burning. So you are not going to miss any of the taste part of the barbecuing. We are just going to get the right taste, get it right totally. Now add a bit of oil, cover it again, cook it. Now our paneer tikka is ready to serve. Look at this, well burnt and well cooked. The masala has nicely blended with the ingredients and nicely burnt. Well done. So your guests are going to enjoy your paneer tikka. Totally presentable and yummy too. Good snack or a starter. Please do try this simple, delicious starter and give your feedback. I also place a small request to you. We have launched another channel, Sai Audio Books, wherein we are going to read out to you a lot of spiritual books in Tamil and in English. If you love our videos, like, share and subscribe to all our channels. And now, please do not forget to press the bell button also, so whenever we upload a video you'll get a notification. And thank you for being with us. We'll connect very soon with you with another interesting topic or a recipe. Signing off till then, Lakshmi forever.